Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your install on Google Play Store stuck on pending on this device. When you have the same problem as mine and you can install it, cancel it and go back to the main menu of our smartphone where we must open our settings application. In it, scroll and look for system selection and there tap on our date and time option. In it, we must only turn on first function, set time automatically. After that, all would work. We can go back and try install something again, and it is working right now and we can easily do it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!